What up, YouTube fans? This is T at T Productions, and today we've got a Three's a Crowd for you, and it's the new $2 chicken run. Okay, so we've had a lot of fun with these tickets, and they seem to be really, really good. Well, so we're going to try them out on 3 of them. This is number 18. Odds are 1 and 276. Pretty decent odds. Okay, so I've never played these tickets before, but my partner has. So let's see. How do we play? Scratch each game row from start to finish to reveal a chicken play symbols. If you reveal a truck symbol, that game ends. If no truck symbol is revealed, win prize for that game. Reveal an egg symbol, win the prize for that game automatically. Reveal a, what is that? Chicken foot symbol, win 5 instantly. Each game plays separately. Okay, so we have 5 games to play. Alright, so let's start with game 1 and see if we can do this. Sounds a little fun, so let's see what we got. Ooh. We've got a chicken. So, we're good so far. We've got another chicken. Alright, so that's 2 chickens. 3 chickens. Come on. 4 chickens. Aw, we ended it right there. Okay, so we ended it right there with that truck symbol. Dang it. We didn't make it there. Alright, so let's try game 2, folks. Let's see what we get for game number 2. Okay, so we got a chicken. We have another chicken. We have another chicken. Aw, we ended it right there. Wow. Not starting very well so far. Alright, so we got game 3. Here we go with game 3. Chicken. 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 Chicken, come on. Dang it. Another truck. Right at the end. Alright, here we go with game number 4. Chicken. 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 Nope, not there. Game 5. Last chance to win. Let's see if we can do this. Chicken. 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 Come on. Dang it. A truck symbol. Well, 18 didn't win, folks. Dang. Okay, so here we go with number 19. Same thing. And we're looking for a egg symbol or this weird corn type symbol, I think it is, or chicken symbol. I'm not sure what it is. But we'll see what we get. Here we go, game number 1. Number 19. Here we go. Chicken. Chicken. I gotta fix this here so we can see the symbols. Alright, so we got chicken. We got 3 chickens so far. Nasty glare on that. We'll move it down so people can see it. 3 chickens. And then 4 chicken. Oh, we made it, folks. We made it to the finish line. So what is the prize on that? Let's find out. We got $1. Alright, so we're going to game 2 on this ticket. Got a chicken. Another one. Another one. Another one. And a... Oop, there we go. Look at that, folks. We made it across the street again. Look at that. Prize number 2 is probably another $1. Yes, it is. So that's $2. Okay, so game 3. chicken, 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 and a... Wow, look at that. Another buck. That's $3. Oh, that's $3, folks, so far. All right, $3. And then game number 4. Here we go. Chicken, 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 and $4 right there, folks. No! Woo! 1, 2, 3, $4. Yeah, that is $4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Sorry, math was wrong. $5 off that ticket so far. All right, game number 5. Here we go, and this is number 19 ticket. Here we go. Chicken, 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 and oh, there's a truck. So we've got $5 off that ticket. Dang, that's pretty good. Look at that, folks. $5. Okay, so that was game number 19, and we've got one more to go. And let's see what we got. Number 20. Ticket number 20. Let's see what we get. Game number 1. Chicken. 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 Come on. Chicken. One more chicken, please. Come on, come on, come on. One more chicken. Oh, it's a truck. Okay. Here we go with number 2. Chicken. 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 Come on, chicken. Oh, a truck. Game 3. We're probably only gonna get $5 off this ticket, off these tickets. Got chicken. Chicken. Oh, yep, truck. Game number 4. Chicken. 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 Probably a truck. No, it's a chicken. Woo! Wow. How much? Let's see what we got for the prize. That's $6, folks. Right there. $6. That's a chicken. Yep. Game number 5. Here we go. See if we can't get any more off this ticket. Chicken. 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 Come on, one more chicken, please. Oh, folks, that is awesome. Look at that. That is awesome. What is the prize? Holy smoke. That is so awesome. That's $7 back. Wow. I like these tickets. Like, subscribe, share, comment. T Productions is having a great day and hope you are too. We will see you again soon. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.